Okay, we've got some new locks. Ordered 4 of these Yardeni 6-pin dimple locks. They came keyed differently, but I'm just gonna pick one at random and see what we get. So we'll see. I picked a couple of these already. They've got some spools in them. Nice counter rotation. Kind of fun. Oh, this one I guess I've already picked. Here, just for fun, pick a different one. So I know it's a new one. Not the one I just picked, I guess. This fits nice and snug right here. I was using a little honest dong pick that I kind of slimmed down the shank of. But we will see how it goes. I am not much of a dimple picker, so kind of got these are green belt locks. Just tried to get them for some practice that I'm still pretty awkward when it comes to dimple picking. Hoping this will give me, something easier. I've got a multi-lock. I forget which one. Some multi-lock over here that has the various pins you can swap in from CMFXA's online shop, and I am just not good at it. So wanted something without pins that might give me a better shot at some success, just to get used to them. One of the things that I know I need to work on is making sure I'm not picking warding. I think when I'm using hooks on a regular pin tumbler, it is so much clearer for me to know where I am, under the pins. But when I have a flag in my hand, it's just everything in there just becomes darkness, and I'm not sure if I'm on a spool and I need to push real hard, or if I'm on warding and that's not going to do anything. So I'm going to let some drop. I might have overset something. Okay, that felt good. start over. Little core movement there. It's the 4th pin. Big click on 5. 6, okay, well, that worked. Come on now. Yeah, definitely felt some spools in there. I think I was kind of setting them as I was going. I never really got a real false set, but definitely felt them as I was setting them, so. Let's see what's in this. I haven't actually gutted one yet. I saw some pictures online. Definitely, I mean, there are spools in here. Definitely felt those. At least a couple. Spin this kind of. Nope. This will be the longest part of the video, I'm sure. Don't know where that went. It is gone. All right. I've got 4 keys here. We'll see which one it is. Okay. I'll see the bidding. I'll check it in a sec. These, there's a Bible cover, but they are on there pretty tight, so I think this might be the way to go. I need to, am I good? It's not wanting to go. Okay, just a little tight, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Ah, ball bearing. Like I said, haven't gutted this before. So that came from on the bottom down here. That was the bidding we were working on. I'll show you later. Get the tweezers. far all standards. Another standard. Spool. Spring. Spool. So yeah, a couple spools there at the end. Yeah, these are fun. Good. There's a seller on eBay. It's got them for a good price. I think they come out to about $8 a piece. So, yeah, just some nice little spools. 4 of them. I like keeping them in a little pile there with no keys. So, just have to figure them out as I go, feel it out. So, there you go.